Okay, so I'm going to share just a couple of tips in this short video on how I would start a classic graduated bob. So my first section is vertical, which gives me full control over the choice of length, where the weight line sits, and also my choice of finger angle. So you'll see here my finger angle is relatively flat, which means it's pretty parallel to the wall behind me. Why is this significant? Well, it gives me a bit more of a balanced look to the weight. If I angled more closely into the nape, I would have a stronger look to my graduation. So I want this to look more fluid. I don't really want a line in where the weight line sits. I want it to look quite natural and quite soft. So my choice of elevation, my choice of finger angle are all really to create a more uniform feel. Okay, so if I made my finger angle tucking closer to the nape, I'd get a stronger look. Now the over direction here, everything is pulled parallel to the parting. So what you'll notice is my sections aren't being swung back or forward. They're coming out straight from the parting. You can see here, my sections aren't moving side to side at all. They're coming straight out from the parting, and the cut line is parallel to the parting, giving me this lovely, sleek look. After a brief cross-check, we're able to start the next section. All our sections are taken in the same way, a forward diagonal. Now, as we look for our guideline, we use the top of the weight line of the section we've just created. All of our subsequent sections will be cut in much the same way, forward diagonal, keeping the sections neatly groomed and keeping control. The elevation is maintained low. This is giving us control of how fast the length increases vertically. All of the sections, again, are only over-directed parallel to parting. They're not swung excessively back, as this will give too fast of an increase of length forward. All the sections parallel to parting gives a more balanced view to the graduation. Don't worry about the length at this point. The length will be cut in once the hair is dry. With the graduated bob, it's all about the graduation to begin with. The line comes at the end.